Welcome everyone to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is January 12th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. Alright, I'm going to show you a trade I just closed out. On the second half, I gained over 11% in the play, and this was Blackstone Group. This is a private equity firm. Doesn't really matter what the company does, just matters what the chart tells us. And a couple of things I did here. I bought this stock right on December 8th, and I'm just going to show you exactly where I got in, right around the 3180 level, and you can see here, just basically right about here. So all in all, this was a play I entered right around this level. I'm just trying to draw a little X in there so you can see it. Anyway, close enough. Stock had a big pop right here on the 15th of November. That was a pretty good high volume move. That told me the stock probably has put in a short-term low. And then what you're going to see here is that the stock on the 1st of December sold off and then came back up. We call that a test candle. Whenever you see this kind of pattern, test candle pattern like this, you get what we call like a bottoming tail, but it's not at the bottom of the chart, so it's not a bottoming tail. That's telling you there's pressure to the upside. The institutions want to go into this equity. And right here I saw a little bit of a base, and I said, wow, look at this. This is telling me that the stock wants to go higher. So all in all, I move over to a bigger time frame, and I look at a weekly chart, and I say, look at this. This is getting set up to pop into these highs right here. And sure enough, if you go back to the daily chart, you're going to see it had some chopping, some backing and filling, and then you got this big surge right here. And then money came back down, but you went right down and tested the low of that green bar from the 21st of December, and then price started to rally back up. And look where it is today. Went all the way up to the 35.50 level. I got out right just underneath 35.50. And again, the reason why I exited the trade was simply because we're going up into real good resistance. But today actually is a breakout above those highs, which is a positive, but it usually will need to consolidate or pull back. So I may even look to get into this again down the road. But so far, my exit was pretty much picture perfect, and I'll be happy to take that over 11% on the second half of the trade. So got in here right on December 8th, took half off on this big pop, and then I let the second half ride, and you can see the second half was good for over 11%. And that's what you want to do in these kind of markets, especially when you have such bullish sentiment out here. You want to try to let these things ride a little bit and make maximum profits for you. So again, I closed this trade out, and I just hope you appreciate it and you see exactly how I did it. And again, it's all about the charts. We really don't care about what the company does. We're going into earnings season next week, so there's going to be a lot more plays out here. We're getting a lot of day trading action, and hopefully we'll get a lot more swing trading action as well. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a wonderful weekend. God bless, and we'll see you on the charts.